and welcome to the first edition of the Integral Networks Quick Fix Video Guide series. We here at Integral Networks understand that any downtime is costly to our customers, so this series will focus on our tasks our customers can do themselves to avoid spending time on the phone with support. Today, we will be covering resetting the Citrix Workspace app for Windows. If you are having trouble launching the Citrix Workspace desktop or logging into the app itself, the first thing to try is resetting the app. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and leave a like and press the subscribe button if you found it helpful. We'll begin on the Windows desktop, which looks something like this. Navigate to the lower bottom right of the screen and open the system tray by clicking the small caret near the clock. Find the Citrix Workspace icon and right-click on it. It'll look like a blue circle with white C's. Click Advanced Preferences in the System menu. From here, find and click Reset Citrix Workspace as seen. You should see a new window appear that asks if you want to reset the application. Click Yes to continue, and the application will close. When the application is finished closing, you will see a prompt reading Citrix Workspace is reset to the default settings. Click OK to continue. The app will then reopen and prompt you for your company's Citrix address or URL. Type the unique address of your company and click Continue. Note that this step is not your email address. After entering the URL, you will be returned to the typical sign-in window. Sign into the app as normal, and you will have access to your apps and desktops. Congratulations! You have successfully reset your Citrix Workspace app. Thank you for joining us for this video. I hope you find it integral to keeping you productive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your peers. See you next time.